Most people know Ken Block from the insane driving videos. Nobody talks about how he actually got there. It started in 1989. Ken Block was screen printing t-shirts out of a warehouse. By 2002, that same hustle turned into DC Shoes, doing $250 million in annual sales. Then in 2004, he sold it for $87 million. And at 37 years old, most people would retire. Instead, he picked up rally racing for the first time in his life. He was named Rookie of the Year in his very first season. Drop in the comments, did you know Ken Block before the driving videos?